Hey folks, so in this video I will guide you through how to set up Next.js project with Tailwind CSS in Windows. So before you proceed to start this tutorial, make sure to install the Node.js on your Windows computer and make sure to check if your npm installation working fine. So now in this PC, if I type node command, as you can see it enters the node terminal. That means node is installed correctly in this PC. And if I type npm, you can see it showing this option, so that means it's working fine. So if you don't know how to install Node.js properly, check out my video in the description. So after you install the Node.js and npm, go to Next.js website. This one, nextjs.org, and in here, if you go to get started and installation section, you will see this command. But as we are using npm for installation the Next.js on Windows, click on this npm button and you will see the command, and copy this command without this part. And so after you copy this command, open your Windows terminal on the file location where you want to set up the project. So I want to set up the project in this file location. So now I'm going to type cmd here and enter. So it will open the command prompt. And in here, just paste that command and hit enter. So it will start the project setup, and type Y and hit enter. So now it asks that whether you want to use the recommended default when setting up the project, or use the customized settings. So as we can see here, by default it uses TypeScript, ESLint, Tailwind CSS, app router, and TurboPack in Next.js. So I hit enter. But if you want to customize the settings, feel free to select this option. So after that, it will start installing required dependencies. So as you can see, it finished installing all the dependencies. And now if I check the folder, you can see this my app folder is created here. So if you want to name it another name when setting up the project, feel free to change this my app name to another project name that you want to add. Or after setting up this, you can change it as well. For now, I'm not going to change it. And in here, if you want to run the project, just start the terminal on this file location and run and open the VS Code. So in here, if you want to start that, what you want to do is run this dev command. To run that command, you can use npm run dev. So now you can see the app is started in port 3000. Now if I go to my Windows computer localhost port 3000, you can see project is running on port 3000. And if I do some changes to this text here, this documentation text, I can preview it live. As you can see, it changed here. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. See you in the next video.